people, welcome to the channel. I'm Mark, this is Modz, and today we're going to do issue 57 of Build the Terminator. And I say this every time, not much to do in this edition. Just got a few bits to put on to the leg. But yeah, you know what? This Terminator will be fantastic for a first time part worker. It's very simple instructions, very simple to build. And yeah, I'd recommend this to anybody who was starting out. So, with all that said, let's get modelling. Okay, so here is issue 57 of the Terminator. That's the parts we've been given today. And we actually will be using all them parts today, actually, to tell you the truth. So yeah, we've got some bits to finish off on the hip joint of the Terminator, and then we've got like a little piston to sort out there. Coming in the next week's issue, wow, that looks huge. We fit more parts to the right thigh, and that looks absolutely massive. So yeah, looking forward to receiving that. So let's get on with today's build. So need to bring across the Terminator leg. That keeps falling off, which is rather annoying, but yeah. Because what we need to do is we need to put this cap on, more or less just to hide what we've done. Now, obviously, mine is not attached to the Terminator, and my reason for that is I find it a lot easier to attach this, to work on this while it's off the main body of the Terminator, because one thing is my desk isn't big enough really. So what we need to do, we put that bit in, and then we just need to put in a 3x12mm Allen screw into here. Now it's a little bit resistance and I'm not too sure why. I'll just take that part off for now. But I'm not going to screw it all the way down anyway, because obviously when it comes to attaching this to the Terminator, I'm actually going to need it. But we will get this in so far. And as you see, that's nicely going down into place. I'm using my Oreo screwdriver, which is ideal for this kind of work. Okay, so I'm just going to leave that there. It's not fully screwed down, but I'm going to leave that there for now, because the next thing we need to do, if I could put that out of the way, we have this part here and sort of like a cap for it. And what we need to do is, this is just simply a push fit that we just push into there, and that then completes this issue. So we've got this bit here we've done, and then we've got this sort of probably another piston muscle on this side as well. So yeah, not a lot to do. Let's see, how long has that build been going on for? About 2 minutes 50 seconds. So yeah, not long at all, but this is why I say that this build would be ideal for anybody who's starting out in part works and just wants to basically you know, learn the craft as you go along. But that's issue 57 done. Well, that was a very, very quick issue, to tell you the truth, of the Terminator. So this is going to be a very, very short video. It is a shame not the very short, but you know, it is a nice build, this, and I still enjoy doing it. And yeah, I'm just looking forward to catching up with the subscribers now, and then I can start releasing a Terminator every week. So yeah, also, if you haven't heard, I do have a Patreon page now. It's still very in the sort of early stages, should I say, of being sorted, but yeah, I'm hopefully going to get quite a bit of content on there as well, a bit of behind the scenes, a bit of me and everything I do and stuff like that. So if you want to check that out, please come along, please subscribe to my Patreon. It's only £2 a month. I'll try to keep it as low as I can possible, because I don't like ripping people off. So yeah, come along and check it out. Also, if you like this video, please give it a massive thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit that notification bell and you'll be notified of any future videos that come out. But as for always, stay safe and bye for now.